A theft has been reported at a bungalow near Bori Circle, with burglars making away with valuable worth over 2 lakh rupees. According to the complaint filed with the police, unknown persons broke into the bungalow and stole gold ornaments valued at around 1 lakh 30,000 rupees. In addition to the jewelry, cash amounting to 20,000 rupees were also taken. The burglars reportedly did not stop there. Around 20 bottles of foreign liquor estimated to be worth nearly 60,000 rupees were also stolen from the premises. The incident came to light when the owner discovered the break-in hand and alerted the police. Officers have since visited the spot and conducted a preliminary inspection. Police sources say an investigation is underway to ascertain how the burglars gained entry and whether the theft occurred during night or in early hours of the morning. Fingerprints and other forensic evidence are being examined. So far, no arrests have been made. Police are checking CCTV footage from the surrounding areas and questioning nearby residents to identify any suspicious movement.
हांगासर चोरी जाली लुईजाल्या घरा कडेन सो अदमास कितें कितें व्हेलें
एक सोडपोर येयला आमगेली थोडे कॅश आहलोले मोदी सोडपोर आनी कांय ना रोप बुक काण दवरलेलो आनी आमचो सोरो येयलो एक 50-60 हजार
ओके फॉरेन
हय फॉरेन भायलो
ओके केन्ना राती चोरी जाली
हय रात चोरी जाली मागीर सकाळ आमकां फोन येयलो मागीर आमी येयले
ओके